Hello friends, welcome to C Programming video tutorials series. From the past few video tutorials, we are trying to understand special operators in C. We know that C provides a set of special operators which are used in special cases. In the previous video tutorial, we understood size of operator. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss the comma operator. Comma operator is used to group related expressions together and it returns the result of the rightmost expression, guys. Comma operator is used to group related expressions together. It returns the result of the rightmost expression, guys. Let's write a program to find addition of two numbers using comma operator, guys. We understand how to write a program to find addition of two numbers using comma operator. I minimize the word. I double click on CodeBlocks icon to launch the CodeBlocks IDE. You can see that CodeBlocks IDE is launched. I'm going to create one new project. I say File, New, Project. I select here Projects, say Console Application, say Go. Then I say Next. I select here C language. I say Next. I give project name, comma, operator, demo. Then I say Next, say Finish. You can see that comma operator demo project is created. I click on the plus sign. I double click on main.c to open it. You can see that main.c file is open. I'm going to delete this line of code which is not necessary. I delete this line of code which is not necessary. Here I'm going to create three variables a, b, c of type integer and I put the initial value 0 inside them. I say int a equal to 0, comma, b equal to 0, comma, c equal to 0, semicolon. What happens when this line of code is executed, guys? We know that computer goes to its memory. It is going to allocate 4 bytes of memory location. Let's take its address is #1. To that memory location it gives a name a, puts the initial value 0 inside it. It allocates 4 bytes of memory location. Let's take its address is #5. To that memory location it gives a name b and inside that it puts the initial value 0, guys. It allocates one more 4 bytes of memory location. Let's take its address is #9. To that memory location it gives a name c and puts the initial value inside it 0, guys. That's what happens when this line of code is executed. Here I'm going to write an expression c equals to, in brackets I say a equal to 10, comma, b equal to 20, comma, a plus b, semicolon. You can see that I'm using comma operator to group related expressions together. And remember that it returns the result of the rightmost expression, guys. What happens when this line of code is executed? Of course, here the bracket is evaluated first. Comma operator is evaluated from left to right. A equal to 10 is executed first. Computer goes to the memory location which has the name a, erases the current value and puts the new value 10 inside it. Then b equal to 20 is executed. Computer goes to the memory location which has the name b. It erases the current value, puts the given value 20 inside it. And then a plus b is evaluated. Value of a is 10, value of b is 20. 10 plus 20 is 30. We know that comma operator returns the result of the rightmost expression. Here the result of the rightmost expression is 30. 30 will be assigned to c, guys. So computer goes to the memory location which has the name c, erases the current value, puts the new value 30 inside it. We can display the value of c, guys, using the printf function. Here I say printf, in double quotations I say c equals to %d \n, comma, c, semicolon. If I say build and run, you see that we got the output c equal to 30. We have successfully written a program to find addition of two numbers using comma operator, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. Let's proceed further and get more information. Note, comma symbol is most commonly used while declaring variables and constants. Comma symbol is most commonly used while declaring variables and constants. You can see that I am saying here int a comma b comma c, int a equal to 0 comma b equal to 0 comma c equal to 0. Comma symbol is most commonly used with looping statements. You can see that I am saying here in the for loop I equal to 0 comma j equal to 1. I am separating two expressions using the comma symbol here. Here I am saying I plus plus comma j plus plus. Comma symbol is most commonly used while passing arguments to a function, guys. To the printf function we are passing different arguments here, and arguments are separated by comma here. You can see that, where it just behaves like a separator. Comma symbol is most commonly used while declaring variables and constants with looping statements, while passing arguments to a function, etc, 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 where it just behaves like a separator. Instead of an operator, it just behaves like a comma separator, guys. I think for this video tutorial this much is enough, friends. I hope you guys have clearly understood the comma operator. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly, try this code yourself, experiment with more examples. In the upcoming video tutorials we are going to discuss more about special operators in C programming language. For more benefits and be up to date, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with others so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.